All right. You may be a small business owner and you're considering to hiring your first employee, or perhaps you're a larger company and you've hired staff before and you're ready to hire somebody new. Today, I want to talk about a staff cost benefit analysis that just shows you how to add up the value and expenses of your next employee to see if it is worth it for you to do that. One thing I will give you a caution of, this is it's not an exact science. It is something to help you quickly put down on paper what you think the cost is going to be and what you think the benefit is going to be, and to play around with it a little bit. This isn't something to be set in stone. It's a gauge to give you an idea of where you are. And let's show you how to use it. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to look right here at the position, and we're going to articulate and write down a description, what department that would fall under as far as organizational structure, and when is an expected time of hiring. And so you get that down, and again, it doesn't have to be concrete at this moment. We're playing with this and we're just kind of figuring it out. Go over now to the cost, and you can see we have headers here: payment, social benefits, workplace cost, etc. And then the cost factors, salary, bonus, for each one of these headings. And it just helps you to see how much it's going to cost you. Like, for instance, if you go down to the workplace cost, am I going to have to add another seat with my software program? Am I going to have to buy another computer? Are we going to have to get some office furniture? Those kind of things. And then you just come over here and you fill these out for the cost, an estimated cost that you think that would be. And you put your total in there, and now you have your total cost. And these things are just helpful to get you thinking in the right direction. The next thing you're going to do is go over to the benefit and value creation. You notice in the heading we have type of value created. Is it relevant? Is it not? How to create the value, and then a number, a financial number in year 1 or 2. How do we think in year 1 that will increase our clients? Can we increase our clients by 3%? And if so, what would that benefit us? How would that benefit us financially? And you just go down through all of these. Now, not all of these are going to be apropos to your business, and so you can come over here and put something that would be more applicable to you. This is how this client, or this employee, would add benefit in this area, and you write it in and you figure the cost up. Then you total those up and you look at your cost total per year, and then you look at year 1, your expected value created, and then you're going to be able to compare those and see if it would really make sense for you to bring a new employee on based upon these projections. And so this is just a really simple way to look and to get you thinking about the costs and the benefits of hiring a new employee. Remember, most of us, when we're going to hire a new employee, it is a stretch for us to do so. And therefore, you have to look at your hiring as an investment. It may take you some months to create enough value with that client, or with that employee, to make it worthwhile. But it definitely could be a benefit and an investment that pays off for you. So don't be afraid to look at that. All right, if you need some help, you can reach me at rick@slarkconsultinggroup.com. If you would like a copy of this staff cost benefit to work on your own, just simply, again, send me a message at rick@slarkconsultinggroup.com. Let me know that you would like to have one of these, and I'll send one out to you. So, all right, thanks for listening. Have a great day.